Hey there, lads and ladies, this is Paul, and we're at Eurocycles of Tampa Bay checking out this gorgeous 2020 Aprilia Tuono V4 1100 factory. Nice matte colorway. You got some black, some green, a little silver, and a red. Really a nice touch from previous years. You can see some of the options that are here on the factory: traction control, Aprilia Wheelie Control, cruise control. You do have a multi 5-way joystick. The communication here, if you want to hook up your phone on off, which the starter button actually works as a double mode button, so you can go ahead and change between sport, race, and track modes. You also have the ability to adjust suspension settings. We're not going to get into that now. We're just going to take a brief walk around and show you this 2020 Aprilia Tuono V4 1100 factory. And this is available at Eurocycles of Tampa Bay. You can find us on the web at eurocyclesoftampabay.com. Reach out to us on Facebook, Instagram, or here on YouTube. Drop us a comment below. Make sure you like, subscribe, and give us a thumbs up on our videos, as well as our Facebook and Instagram pages. Let us know you enjoy the two-wheel content that we keep pumping out, so we can keep doing that for you. But as we walk around, let's talk about the bike we're looking at. It's a 2020 Aprilia Tuono V4 factory. I know you've heard me say it once or twice, but this 1077cc V4, the 65 degree V4 motor, it pumps out 175 horsepower out of this naked bike with a whopping 89.2 foot-pounds of torque, giving you some fun, making sure you smile underneath that helmet. Nice narrow frame, really feels like an RSV, but without that tucked down, aggressive, leaning forward position. It's a 6-speed wet clutch with slipper clutch, so you can have some fun and let your slipper enjoy the abuse on that without that rear end feedback from downshifting too fast. You also notice it does have the Ohlins suspension, titanium nitrate coating on the forks, giving it that gold look on the front. You also have Ohlins in the rear as well. Got the Pirelli Super Courses on there, keeping it nice and sticky. There's a claimed dry weight of 407 pounds, and a claimed wet weight of 460 pounds. Has a seat height of 32.5 inches, and gas capacity is 4.89 gallons. If you want to check this out, even take it for a demo ride. That's right, I said demo ride. We do have one of these for demo, and if you want to come on down, experience that V4 power, stop by Eurocycles of Tampa Bay, give us a call, send us an email, find us online, and we'll schedule you on a test ride and get you ripping around. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to seeing you at the shop and down the road.